one last time. No more falls and no more climb. I don't want to be the shadow of the bigger picture. It makes me shallow. So I'm gonna stay out of the midnight shine against the night sky. Fight back and never go hide. I'm gonna stay right on the bright side. Stay out of the midnight shine against the night sky. Fight back and never go hide. I'm gonna stay right on the bright side. I'm gonna stay right on the bright side. I'm gonna stay right on the bright side. Stay out of the midnight shine against the night sky. Fight back and never go hide.
Alright, so one thing I really want to do, I want to put the jack on the other side. We're going to swap the jack over, have the jack on the driver's side, and put a spare tire carrier on the passenger side. And the reason for that is we can't jack the jet ski on here with the tire in the way. So with the jack over here, we should still be able to, winch up the jet ski. So let's flop the jack, put on the spare tire carrier and the tire. Alright, well, it's the next day. The ski is dry, except for little wet spots in there, but overall she's pretty dry. Right now, I picked up some Nano Bond. Now, I got this on Amazon. Pretty cheap. I think it was like 40 bucks, 50 bucks, I can't remember. Not a bad deal, but we'll try it. I read some reviews. I didn't want to spend $100 on some ceramic coating, so I went ahead and bought some for about 40 bucks, and we'll see how she does, so let's get started. Look at the swirls. After one season, you can see the swirls. Okay, so I've done a couple test spots here. We have, first off, the whole thing looks like this. Horrible spots, as you see. I did full compound polish wax. She's dull as dull can be. Don't do that. Okay. We had the swirl marks. We tried this one little section right here and swirl it with the swirl marks here with just the ceramic coating, and she's shiny. Oh, she's shiny, but you see every single one of the swirl marks. Bad. I mean bad. And then we got one more spot we did on the other side of the old ski. And I think that it removed a lot of the swirl marks, but the scratches are popping. I don't know. I don't know. Maybe we'll do polish first, and then we'll do the ceramic coating, because the ceramic coating just like I said, you can see every single one of them swirl marks. Like, it's woo, feels like it'll shed some water now, don't get me wrong. I don't know. With ceramic, without ceramic. With ceramic, without ceramic. Just shine, dull. So let's go ahead and do this front nose right here.
18, solo. I still remember long ago when I saw you so cold. I gave my jacket blue and gold. Then you said, I'm not who you're looking for, but you might find me beneath these clothes. Some nights I stay up alone, a shot of whiskey by the phone. Dial your number, let it go. I still remember that night, yeah. Summer skies for us alone, only lights to guide us home. Wonder if you are still alone. To be young, what a feeling. Feel like not that long ago. Wonder where you have flown. Can't stop thinking about it, no. Don't know why I feel this way, but I can't stop thinking that you got away. Some nights I stay up alone, a shot of whiskey by the phone. Dial your number, let it go. I still remember that night, yeah. Summer skies for us alone, only lights to guide us home. Wonder if you are still alone. To be young, what a feeling. To be young, to be young.
First day of 2021 on the lake. We ran out the last 4 bars of gas we had in here, and there is no watermarks at all. Look at that. Oh my Lord. Oh my Lord. Like glass. Whew. So yeah. Alright, I'm gonna go ahead and wipe this thing down because I don't want watermarks. So we're gonna wipe her down. The water just shed right off of this thing. Like whoo. All right, let's take it to the house. Lots of birds. All right, well, it is the next day after the lake, so I want to see what this looks like. Any watermarks. Now I did wipe this down with the microfiber, so you know, definitely not seeing no watermarks. She got some dust on her. You can see right there, that's dust. Like I'm wiping it down, you leave, you know, it's dusty out here. But other than the dust, there's definitely no watermarks on her. Definitely no watermarks on her. Alright, so this is what I used right here. Basically, I just washed it. Then I took a, clay bar to it, washed it again, got all the residue off of it. Then I used this ultimate polish right here. That got all the swirl marks out of it. This right here. You just had to put a little elbow behind it, but it got all the swirl marks out of it. All them water marks from last year came right off. Then I did use the ceramic coating. Got the ceramic coating on, and she's shining. She's a shining. But yeah, this is what I use at the lake. You know, I got radio on the ski. Works pretty good when you're riding around, but you know, whatever. But if you're parking, you might want to pick up a little Bluetooth Clip 3. Those come in handy at the lake. Waterproof. Lasted a couple years now. Ain't had no issues with them. But all right, guys. I'm out of here. Boom.